Over the past week, I've been drawing way more than I usually do, and all I had to do was make one small change. Instead of worrying and focusing so much about what I was drawing, I've been way more focused on how I feel inside my own body. Is there any tension in my body that I should let go of? How's my breathing? Am I feeling relaxed? And by focusing on how I feel physically, I've been developing more and more joy for the practice. It's become easier and easier to sit down and draw. And now I leap out of bed to come and draw. Like this morning, I got out of bed way faster than I usually do to sit down and draw because I was excited to draw because my body is learning that this is an enjoyable practice. If you are someone who's always forcing yourself to the table and you feel a lot of tension in your body while you're drawing, then drawing will not be enjoyable to you physically. So your subconscious will prevent you from drawing. So for the next week or so, try this out. Next time you sit down to draw, maybe try my 54 free drawing exercises or do some sort of study, and then just try to pay attention to how you feel physically and what is your mind telling you. Like, what are the stories that are causing tension? Let go of some of those things and just let your mind be relaxed and just draw naturally. Instead of trying to force yourself to be good at drawing, only pay attention to how you feel physically and let the drawing happen naturally. You actually don't need that much intellect to draw. You don't need to force your brain to work on overdrive to draw. A lot of your drawing actually happens intuitively. So if you just relax your body, that will happen so much faster, so much more naturally. Try this out. It makes drawing way easier. And also check out my 54 free drawing exercises if you are a beginner artist that wants to work on your forms. That is linked below. And I'll see you in the episode of Everything Bundle when you are ready.